Easy English practice.
What's your favorite thing about being my friend? What's your favorite thing about being my friend?
You always make me laugh. You always make me laugh.
And you're always there for me, no matter what. And you're always there for me, no matter what.
Like when we tried building that treehouse. Total fail. Like when we tried building that treehouse. Total fail.
But we laughed so much. But we laughed so much.
You were there for me when I lost my grandpa. You were there for me when I lost my grandpa.
And you helped me through my parents' divorce. And you helped me through my parents' divorce.
We've been through a lot together. We've been through a lot together.
Yeah, we're always there for each other. Yeah, we're always there for each other.
Best friends forever? Best friends forever?
What do you want to do this weekend? What do you want to do this weekend?
I was thinking of going hiking. I was thinking of going hiking.
That sounds fun. Where should we go? That sounds fun. Where should we go?
How about the national park? How about the national park?
Great idea. What time should we leave? Great idea. What time should we leave?
Let's leave early, around 8 a.m. Let's leave early, around 8 a.m.
Do we need to bring anything special? Do we need to bring anything special?
Yes, we should bring water and snacks. Yes, we should bring water and snacks.
What about clothes? What about clothes?
Wear comfortable clothes and good shoes. Wear comfortable clothes and good shoes.
Should we check the weather first? Should we check the weather first?
Good idea. I'll check it now. Good idea. I'll check it now.
How does it look? How does it look?
It's sunny and perfect for hiking. It's sunny and perfect for hiking.
Awesome. Should we invite anyone else? Awesome. Should we invite anyone else?
Maybe. Do you think anyone else would like to join? Maybe. Do you think anyone else would like to join?
I can ask some friends. I can ask some friends.
Great. The more, the merrier. Great. The more, the merrier.
Let's finalize the plan tomorrow. Let's finalize the plan tomorrow.
Sounds good. I'm excited. Sounds good. I'm excited.
Me too. It's going to be a lot of fun. Me too. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Definitely. Can't wait. Definitely. Can't wait.
What movie should we watch tonight? What movie should we watch tonight?
How about a comedy? How about a comedy?
Sounds good. Any specific movie in mind? Sounds good. Any specific movie in mind?
Maybe that new one everyone is talking about. Maybe that new one everyone is talking about.
The one with the famous actor? The one with the famous actor?
Yes, exactly. I heard it's really funny. Yes, exactly. I heard it's really funny.
Great. What time should we start? Great. What time should we start?
How about 7 p.m.? How about 7 p.m.?
Perfect. What should we do for snacks? Perfect. What should we do for snacks?
We could get popcorn and some candy. We could get popcorn and some candy.
Sounds tasty. Do we need to order anything else? Sounds tasty. Do we need to order anything else?
Maybe some drinks. What do you want? Maybe some drinks. What do you want?
Soda or maybe some juice? Soda or maybe some juice?
Okay. I'll pick up a few options. Okay. I'll pick up a few options.
Should we invite anyone else? Should we invite anyone else?
Sure. We could invite Sarah and Jake. Sure. We could invite Sarah and Jake.
I'll call them and see if they can come. I'll call them and see if they can come.
Great. I'll get everything ready. Great. I'll get everything ready.
When should we have our study session? When should we have our study session?
How about tomorrow afternoon? How about tomorrow afternoon?
What time works for you? What time works for you?
I'm free at 2 p.m. I'm free at 2 p.m.
That works for me. Where should we meet? That works for me. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the library. Let's meet at the library.
Good idea. Do we need any special materials? Good idea. Do we need any special materials?
Just bring your textbook and notes. Just bring your textbook and notes.
Should I bring my laptop too? Should I bring my laptop too?
Yes, that would be helpful. Yes, that would be helpful.
Do you want to study together or separately? Do you want to study together or separately?
We can study together and then review separately. We can study together and then review separately.
Sounds like a plan. How long will we study? Sounds like a plan. How long will we study?
Let's plan for about 2 hours. Let's plan for about 2 hours.
Should we take a break? Should we take a break?
Yes. Maybe a 15-minute break halfway through. Yes. Maybe a 15-minute break halfway through.
See you then. Let's ace this exam. See you then. Let's ace this exam.
Definitely. I'm ready to get started. Definitely. I'm ready to get started.
Awesome. I'm looking forward to it. Awesome. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It's going to be a fun night. Me too. It's going to be a fun night.
When is your birthday party? When is your birthday party?
It's next Saturday. It's next Saturday.
Where will it be? Where will it be?
At my house. I'll have it in the backyard. At my house. I'll have it in the backyard.
What time does it start? What time does it start?
It starts at 4 p.m. It starts at 4 p.m.
Should we bring anything? Should we bring anything?
You can bring a drink or dessert. You can bring a drink or dessert.
I'll bring some soda. I'll bring some soda.
Great. Do you know what gift to bring? Great. Do you know what gift to bring?
I'm still thinking. Any ideas? I'm still thinking. Any ideas?
I like books or games. I like books or games.
Okay, I'll look for something like that. Okay, I'll look for something like that.
Awesome. Do you need directions to my house? Awesome. Do you need directions to my house?
Yes, please. Can you send me the address? Yes, please. Can you send me the address?
Sure. I'll text it to you. Sure. I'll text it to you.
Thanks. I'm excited for the party. Thanks. I'm excited for the party.
Me too. It's going to be a lot of fun. Me too. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Did you get a new pet? Did you get a new pet?
Yes, I got a puppy. Yes, I got a puppy.